United States Ambassador to the United Nations, Mike Waltz, on Tuesday described the recent killings of Christians in Nigeria as genocide wearing the mask of chaos, spotlighting the growing threat of religious violence in Africa's most populous nation. Speaking at an event hosted by the U.S. mission to the United Nations, Waltz warned of disproportionate suffering among Christians, citing families torn apart, clergy repeatedly assassinated, and entire church congregations under attack. "We have an entire faith being erased, one bullet at a time, one torched Bible at a time," he stated. The remarks were echoed by representatives from Open Doors, an international Christian organization supporting persecuted believers, which noted that attacks, historically concentrated in northern, Muslim-majority states, are spreading into the Middle Belt and southern regions. Militants, including Fulani herders and Boko Haram, continue to target Christians, often committing sexual violence against women. In response, the Nigerian government has rejected claims of widespread religious intolerance. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu stressed on social media that religious freedom and tolerance have been a core tenet of our collective identity, and emphasized that Nigeria opposes persecution. The United States warned that continued attacks could jeopardize aid and assistance, underscoring the urgent need for accountability and protection for vulnerable communities. Thanks for watching Biafra Battle Cry TV. Please share, like and subscribe. Stay tuned while we bring more updates.